My dear audience, I, Professor Shami Bhatia, welcome you on board, and this time we will have an active interaction over the resourcing strategies towards recruitments. So this is a dynamic resourcing of the new people, and it is a more innovative way towards recruiting the right candidates. Now, references nowadays are quite common while recruitments. So we have different channels for it. Here we will explore online or digital media towards recruiting the right talent. So my focus in this presentation will be on job search engines and the digital platforms, or we can say the professional networking platforms towards recruitments. So we will learn and explore how we can exploit the digital resources for the recruitment purposes. So as you can see from here that I have shared with you the icons of different agencies, those are involved in online or digital mode of recruitments. So let's enter into this presentation. Well, employee referral is one of the method through which the employees or the new talent, they find the fitment within the organization by means of already existing employees. So this is quite a common activity. Now, our focus on this presentation is basically towards two things, that is digital media and professional networking. My dear audience, when we are into the phase of digitalization, it is good to have our impetus and focus on such support platforms from where we can resource right talent. So I will involve two sub platforms. The one is the job search engines and the other one is the professional networking. So as we all know that internet has become quite a common platform towards each and every aspect of life. So recruitment is also not far from it, because there are organizations, those are involved in technology, they are most evolved to practice such kind of recruitment strategies. So first of all, let's study what exactly is a job search engine. A job search engine is also known as job site engine, that refers to searching candidates by means of web portals. Those are quite interactive and where freshers and experienced employers and stakeholders, they may look forward to hire the right talent for the right position with the right experience and expertise. So job search engines are now quite a common throughout the world, and these job search engines are categorized on the basis of their scale of operations. There are local job search engines, then there are national or regional job search engines, and finally there are global level job search engines. Naukri.com is national level job search engine, whereas Monster, Glassdoor and Indeed, they are continental or global job search engines. Now coming down to digital mode of professional networking. Well, professional networking is very common and this is the cheapest way and the most exact way, right way to hire the right talent with the right expertise. So the best example here is of LinkedIn, which is a United States based organization, and the parent company of LinkedIn is Microsoft Corporation. As per the research, LinkedIn is being used mostly and most commonly by the corporate towards recruitment, hiring, searching, research and other activities. Training also actively falls within the LinkedIn category. So my dear audience, LinkedIn is the best platform, one of the most challenging platform through which we can resource the new talent. So this is my personal advice and reference and suggestion to you, that you must have your profile up to date presented on LinkedIn. So it is a high and good time to make and develop your profile and then push it to LinkedIn, through which you can source out best of the opportunities for yourself. Now, digital mode of hiring, as I've explained you, is composed of two things. First, the site engines, and then professional networking. Also, let me share with you that since last 1.5 years, from the day pandemic has attacked on the globe, the digital mode of hiring has become the common norm. So it's a new normal through which agencies, organizations and industry, they lay lot of focus on such modes to hire right talent. LinkedIn profile looks quite like this. Here I have tried to locate the best of the sceneries through which you can understand how your profile looks into LinkedIn. So you can easily see the photograph of one of the candidates or the employee, then the designation, then the place from which she belongs, her LinkedIn ID and rest of the details. So your profile on LinkedIn is very fastly attracted towards the right profiles, the right vacancies. And that is why most of the organizations globally, they rely on LinkedIn for the quality profiles. So this is the Shine.com. So this is the job search engine. So I have shared with you how the profile or the web page of a job search engine looks like. Shine.com is one of the most used and exploited channel for the recruitment of the candidates, whether he or she is an experienced or whether he or she is a fresher. Shine.com, Naukri.com and timesjob.com, they all are very commonly utilized by all the people working in the organization for finding right job. So this is all from me from this slide. So I hope you would have learned something from this presentation. So wish you all the best. Thank you.